Hey guys, welcome back. Today I got the biggest PR package I've ever received from Slapwoods. There's so much in here. Sick, man. Oh, thank you guys. This is like the package that never ends. I'm looking in it and I go to reach for something and something else pops out. These Slapwoods premium leaf wraps 5-pack. Woodshop 5-packs? Premium leaf wraps are made from only the finest virgin all natural tobacco leaf. Whole leaf, all fresh, washed, de-stemmed leaf per pack. Natural. With the heaviest things in there. Vanilla glitz, smoke odor exterminator candle. Have a look at that. Great for cigars, pipes, and 420 friendly. Oh my god, that's sweet. This is very vanilla-y. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting candles. That one up today. This one is chill. The snowman smoking a doobie on it. Smells like medicine. Oh, it's peppermint. Cool. So these are to cover up the smell of smoke and stuff. I don't put loose tobacco or anything near myself, but some of my friends do, and we let them smoke it in the house. But I swear, the smell just lingers forever. And as an ex-smoker, it makes me want a cigarette when I smell that. So maybe these candles will cover it up. These are Slapwood cigar wraps, all natural, always fresh. Honey berry. I wish I could smell them through here. This is insane. And these Russian cream cigar cones. I hope the homies want to smoke some wraps, that's all I'm saying. Some stickies. This is like really good material, by the way. This isn't cheap. And that one feels different to the other one. It's like a different material. It's giving Czarface meets Five Nights at Freddy's. Definitely wearing this one. This is sick. There's graphics on the back and on the sleeve. Again, it's nice quality. Nice little white Slapwoods one. This one's like a vintage look. And there's even some hoodies in there too. Oh, your big Slapwoods logo. And yeah, because they slap on the back, it's nice to be wrapped up. It's like heavy duty printed on there, like it's not gonna come off. Slapwoods, this is insane. Thank you so much. An abundance of Slapwood Bics in here. I don't have any Bics. I don't own a Bic, but there's a Bic slot on the Blazy Susan, so this is perfect. Pick up the homies at Slapwoods. This is crazy. I used to watch videos of people unboxing stuff like this and it felt so far away. The reality is you just got to tell yourself you can do it, and you can fucking do it. There is more than enough room at this table for us all to eat. There's never been so many faces popping up. It's an exciting time for the Canna community. Me, a little gal in England right now, I'm receiving this huge box of cool shit from Texas. Follow your dreams, bro. Love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.